ever heard of an author being put on trial for their own fiction? Not just canceled, but criminally prosecuted. This is the story of Oscar Wilde, a literary giant whose art was used as a weapon against him in one of history's most infamous legal battles. Imagine this. It's 1895, and Oscar Wilde is in the courtroom. The prosecutor isn't just questioning him. He's reading passages from Wilde's masterpiece, The Picture of Dorian Gray, aloud to the jury. Not as a work of art, but as a supposed confession of Wilde's immoral lifestyle. The prosecution literally tried to convict the man based on the words of his fictional characters. Wilde, ever brilliant, defended his work on the stand, delivering one of the most iconic lines in literary history. There are no moral or immoral books. Books are well written or badly written, that is all. But the censorship didn't start there. Even before this scandalous trial, his play Salome was banned in London. The official reason, an old dusty law that forbade depicting biblical figures on stage. It was a thinly veiled attempt to silence his provocative voice. While Puritanical England tried to erase him, his work was celebrated in Paris, highlighting the staggering hypocrisy of Victorian society. The persecution followed him even into his darkest days. After being imprisoned, he wrote a soul-bearing letter, deep, but even this couldn't escape the censor's grasp. For decades, the public only saw a heavily edited version, his executor, wanting to protect his legacy, cut out the most painful parts about his suffering and all mentions of the man at the center of his downfall, Lord Alfred Douglas. The full, raw, and heartbreaking text wasn't published until many years later. So why does this 19th century story still matter so much? Because Wilde was one of the first major artists to be publicly destroyed by the dangerous confusion between the creator and their creation. The idea that the person writing the story is the same as the characters within it. His struggle is a chilling reminder of what happens when we let the government or mob mentality decide what art is acceptable. It's a warning against the tyranny of censorship that resonates just as strongly today. Thanks for watching. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more dives into history's most compelling moments.